In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Transform in Lightroom on the Desktop Cloud version step by step so you can straighten buildings, fix perspective, and clean up tilted horizons fast. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Lightroom tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Adobe Lightroom and select the photo you want to fix. Once your image is open, go to the Edit panel. On the Desktop Cloud version of Lightroom, you'll find the Transform controls inside the Geometry section. This is the area where Lightroom gives you tools to correct perspective problems and make your photo look more natural. The quickest place to start is with Auto. Click Auto, and Lightroom will automatically analyze the image and try to correct perspective for you. This is a great first step because in many cases, it gets you very close to the result you want without doing much work. If Auto does not give you the perfect look, the next option is Guided. Guided Transform is especially useful when you want more control. Choose Guided, then draw 2 to 4 lines along parts of the image that should be perfectly vertical or horizontal. For example, if you're editing a building, draw lines along the edges of the walls or windows. Lightroom will use those guides to correct the perspective more accurately. After that, you can fine-tune the image using the sliders. Vertical is one of the most useful ones, especially if buildings look like they are leaning backward or forward. Move the vertical slider to correct that tilt. Horizontal helps when the image has side-to-side distortion. Rotate is perfect for straightening a horizon if your photo is slightly crooked. And if the photo starts to feel too cropped or too compressed after correction, you can adjust scale and offset to bring the composition back into balance. A simple workflow is to start with Auto, then switch to Guided only if needed, and finally use the sliders for small adjustments. That way, you get the best of both worlds, speed and precision. Transform in Lightroom is especially useful for architecture shots, city photos, interior images, or any picture where lines matter. It can make tall buildings look upright, correct a tilted horizon in landscape photos, and fix perspective distortion from shooting at an angle. Even a small adjustment can make your image look much cleaner and more professional. Here's a quick tip that many people forget. Always crop after using Transform. When Lightroom stretches or shifts the image, it can create empty edges around the frame. Cropping after the correction helps you clean up those edges and improve the final composition. So, to quickly recap, open your photo, go to Edit, find Geometry, try Auto first, use Guided if you need more control, fine-tune with the sliders, and then crop the image at the end. That's the easiest way to use Transform in Lightroom on the Desktop Cloud version. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe for more Lightroom editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.